3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Waiting for the sun to calm me down. I can feel your anger through my window. There's a red wakes me from my sleep. So good morning, Mistress Daydream. How are you today? Are you too tired to answer or too ignorant to say? You don't like my company, you don't like me at all. You'd rather I was gone from here. You don't need love, you just need a little hope. Statue through the day. Sharing secrets is not a weakness. Exercise and ghosts is the only. Come on, Mistress Daydream, and wave your fist at me. I'm aware of your soul, I was just too blind to see. The bunch of you've been seeking is deep within your heart, but hatred is no remedy. You don't need love, you just need a little hope.
Judy Jones.
Don't you ever feel like life has only just begun? Don't you wish there's some things you could change? Living in the shadow when a stranger puts the lights on. It must have been a terrible strain on you. But you always seem to leave me occupied, running without anyone else could do. Everyone knows you tried your life, everything but still forgot. One thing I was dreaming, got it for attention. Have you ever needed too much much? Climbing trees was easy when the leaf was at your side, but now you couldn't even carve your neck. But questions was like, what is love again? Can't agree to disagree once more. Well, it's like a man who used to hurt you for your virtuosity, or were you just afraid to fail? Judy Jones was such a fool. Judy Jones. Judy Jones was such a fool. Jones. Judy. Judy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Judy. Judy, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Changed for us. I feel your eyes burn in the back of my mind. What happened to your trust? And those hollow eyes, they look hypnotized. Ain't no time hides dead eyes, but with a whip of your hair and a wiggle of your hips, you turn away with pouted lips. I've seen the real you. I've seen the things inside your head that turn you Hey girl, how's the new circle you're in? Or do you still pull the punches like you used to do? Do you still drink gin? And those glasses you wear with the long blonde hair, you look like an angel without a care. But the chewing gum and shine, the tapping of fingers gives away